savings and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
How do you see the world? At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
People have to understand our country on trade has been ripped off by virtually every country in the world, whether it's friend or enemy, everybody. So we may have friends, but remember this. We lost over the last number of years $800 billion a year. Not $500,000, not 12 cents. We lost $800 billion a year on trade. Not going to happen. We got to get it back.
We need to give President Trump a lot of credit for showing guts to do this. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. I'm going to put in perspective this steel, what this steel tariff is, what it means to us. But to understand that, we first have to go backwards a little bit. And we got to understand the fake narrative that they take parking space in our head every day with. That we have a nice economic growth, corporations got nice profits, everybody's doing well. We hear that every day, that fake narrative. The truth is, corporate profits are big, but guess what? They're not reaching the broad economy. They're not reaching Main Street. They're just reaching the pockets of the CEOs and the largest shareholders. The dividends, same thing, going to the largest shareholders. The CEOs are making 333 times the people that work for them. 333 times. I told you last week Hillary Clinton was angry when they were making 30 times and put in the laws and regulations. The CEOs couldn't make more than $1 million. They had to make money on the share price. Boy, how well that worked out for them. But stock buybacks, we got to talk about these stock buybacks for a moment. The stock buybacks are criminal. It's pure manipulation of a stock market. And in 2017, $650 billion was invested in stock buybacks. Not $650 billion invested in machinery, equipment, any kind of capital investment, to increase productivity, to increase wages, to create jobs. No, $650 billion stock buybacks. And for 2018, they're projecting now, never seen before, $840 billion. Remember the deal they made with the corporations that, hey, we'll give you this big tax cut. You go from 35% down to 21%. If you just promise not to do stock buybacks, and if you take that money, instead of doing stock buybacks, put it in your pocket, that you plow it back into your company so Main Street gets higher wages, we create jobs and create a GDP of 3% and 4%. Well, they lied. In January and February, $200 billion. We never saw that in 2 months. $200 billion in stock buybacks. That's larceny. That's why there's no economic growth. We've had no economic GDP growth. They keep telling us how nice our growth is, how well the economy is growing. They keep citing data. I don't know what data they see. The economy is not growing. Since 2008, for 10 years, our economy has not hit 3%. It's been the same, 2.5, 2.8, 2.9. Never 3% on an annual basis. What are they looking at? But the big problem is the corporate profits, 2017, $6 trillion, never trickled down to Main Street, never trickled down to our workers, our people. That's who we should be investing in, not the CEOs. You can replace CEOs, but you can't replace good workers. The $6 trillion is going up to a handful of rich CEOs who, as I said, are making 333 times as worker, and to the 1 percentile, the very, very wealthy who collect all kinds of dividends. You know what we've done in this country? And Trump understands this. That's what makes him a great president. Although he puts jerks around him. We have stopped investing in America. We have stopped investing into Americans, into the people of this country. We stopped doing that. That's what we used to do. That's what made America great, is when we invested in our people. That's what made America great. And if you want to make America great again, that's what you got to start doing. And that's what Trump is doing with this steal. See, we are no longer investing in the American people. We stopped investing in their education, their skills, their health. We stopped investing in the roads and the bridges to connect all of us together to be one nation. We got roads. You can't even go see each other half the time. You're taking your life in your hand crossing a bridge. What are you, nuts? Every $1 invested in infrastructure generates at least $1.60 in benefits to society. But that money doesn't go into roads. Why do you think our roads are so crappy and our bridges are falling apart? And our airports look like a third world country airports? Because that money is trickling up to a handful of CEOs in the 1 percentile. It's not being invested in Americans and the people. See, corporations have gotten so greedy. The trillions in corporate profits, no longer do they let it trickle down. It just trickles up. It trickles up to the richest Americans. It's amazing. You know, you take an average person, an average middle-class American. Let's do this. Take a person on welfare on a percentage basis. He spends more than a millionaire does. Millionaires don't spend. They've got everything they want. I used to get a kick out of like when Bush sent out $300 to everybody, including Bill Gates. I used to wonder, you think Bill Gates got that check? He said, gee, now I can finally buy a pair of tennis shoes for my son. Basketball shoes for my other son. Think he waited for that? See, they have everything they want. They don't spend as much as the middle class. And the rich have no loyalty to this country. Not like its people. The people have more loyalty than the rich. The rich will take their money and go out and take it outside our country and invest it wherever they get the biggest yield, the highest yield. They'll invest it outside of our country. They have no loyalty. Our corporations have no loyalty to America or its people. See, American workers, their productivity is everything. That's what makes America rich again. But see, these large institutions are holding back. They don't want to invest anymore, not unless they know it's going to go to their pocket, not to the country. You know, now we've got this steel. I got all these steel tariffs everybody's talking about. Don't forget, when we ship a car to China, we got to pay 21%. If we ship tires and try to sell tires to China, it's 21% tax. How about 25% on used cars or trucks? You would have to pay a 25% tariff if we want to sell a used car to China, or 21% for a new car. The tires, they even charge you when they ship the cars over, they charge you extra for the tires. 9% on chips, 5% on computers. We'll talk about this, and we'll put this tariff in perspective when I get back, and I'm going to show you how to make some money because of this. We'll be right back. Phil's Gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil'sGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. Phil'sGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
If I do make a deal which is fair to the workers and to the American people, that would be, I would imagine, one of the points that we'll negotiate. It will be tariffs on steel for Canada and for Mexico. So we'll see what happens. But right now, 100%. But it could be a part of NAFTA, and I understand I just got a call from the people who are right now in Mexico City negotiating NAFTA. Mexico and really Canada want to talk about it.
And I'm going to put in perspective for you this whole steel and tariff deal, what it means to you, what it means to all of us. But first, let's make some money.
The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts.
And this is probably one of the most important numbers I'll ever give you. It's 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Use that number. Become a member of Phil's Gang. I have to laugh. I'm watching this weekend, flicking the TV, going back and forth, flicking it, channel surfing, and I see this thing, this advertising of some company that has educational services and trading. They're going to be in an area near you. They're going to do these big seminars. And I had a laugh. I had a chuckle because they would have everybody they show everybody in the classroom with big smiles on their face, and they'd always cut away and they pan to the husband and wife sitting there with a cocktail, with the sunset going down and having this cocktail. Then they pan away again, they go to the classroom. Then they pan away to someone on their boat with girls. The sunset coming down so beautifully. This is what they're selling you. This is what they're selling you. Let me tell you, it doesn't work like that. At Phil's Gang, you don't get any girls. You don't sit there and have a drink with your wife. Are you nuts? You don't sit there and have cocktails. Not how it works. You're going to be sweating bullets. You're not going to be sitting there having cocktails watching the sun go down. You won't even know where the sun is. What a bunch of crap. It's unbelievable. And people fall for it. People fall for it. Oh, I made $8,000 in one day. I made $25,000. Oh, I was sick. I was in the hospital. I was so sick I didn't know what to do. Oh, my poor wife, how am I going to make a living? And all of a sudden I decided to start trading. And now I'm making $80,000 a month trading. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And you know why they run this stuff? Because it's emotion. People really think, they want to get inside people's heads to say, you do this, you do that, you're going to make all kinds of money. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And that's why I offer a program where I say, look, you don't have to do anything. You're not going to be sitting there having a cocktail with your wife. You're not going to be sitting there like they show a Vermont cabin. And they show the beautiful woods and Bambi the deer jumping over the river and the stream. There goes Bambi. And sitting on their front porch of this beautiful log cabin with beautiful flowers. Are you nuts? That's not going to happen. You're probably going to have to catch Bambi and shoot him and eat him. Are you kidding? It doesn't work like that. I don't see anything so silly in my life. If you want to make money, the only way you can really do it is you follow somebody like me, who's been on this earth 72 years, been doing this for 45 years, who understands the market, who designed his own charting, his own algorithms, that I know all you need is know when to get out. Anybody can buy a stock. You can take a dart, throw it against the wall, and when the market's going up, your stock's going to go up. But the problem is 99% of you will never, ever get out before it crashes. 99% of you will never get out before your stock goes down. So I've offered a program for a person who just, again, they don't have to do anything except follow my video, my training video. I do a training video on specific stocks. Now, let me give you one I did the other day. Micron Technology. Now, Micron Technology, I did a video on it. I told them in the video where to enter. Now, all they do is, I don't take your money. When we buy Micron Technology, you go online, select whatever online broker you want, put your money and make your trade with that online broker. Then you follow my instructions, and 3 times during the day, I update the instructions what to do with that specific stock. Also during the day, I'll sometimes give you an alert if something special happened, so that I can tell you, you better do this. It takes you like not even a minute. If you're working, if you're a truck driver, if you're an air conditioning guy, or it just takes you seconds. You just open up your mobile, your mobile device, and click on, and just tells you, takes 2 seconds, tells you what to do. Just don't go off the reservation. So Micron Technology, I said, let's buy it. It was around $40, $41, and it went up. It went up about 14%. Then I got a signal on my chart, the chart I designed, that tells me when institutions are pulling out. And I said, let's get out. Let's take our money, and we'll just keep a couple shares on. We call it a scout, just so we're still in it actively, but just 1 or 2 shares. But let's take all of our shares off. And that was about a 13, 14% gain. And I'm not saying every gang member made 14 or 13%. Some maybe made 5%, 8%, depending where they got in. Now, I'm sure some made the whole boat. And we got out. And then on Friday, I said to him again, and today early, I said, let's get back in. Money's coming in. I can see it. My algorithms are telling me money's coming in. We got in. It went up another 4.5%. So you don't have to do anything. You just follow my specific video on Micron Technology. The stock went up nicely, around 13%. I then told them to get out. Then I put them back in today, and now the stock's back up about 4.5%, 5% today. How much easier is that? What do you want to do? Go on TV with a film and have you sitting out front of your house with a drink and cocktail? Don't worry. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. All you got to do is watch that little video. That's what it is. With my experience, I do it all for you. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. There's no girls, no boats, no cocktails.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
How do you see the world? At Shriners Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at PhilsGang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with a prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and PhilsGang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to PhilsGang.com. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome to Phil's Gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Sign up and follow me with, I'm going to do a video on RRC. RRC is the symbol of the stock I'm going to do a video on. Now, we just finished doing the video on Micron Technology twice, and that worked out very, very well. And we were up about 14% the first time, about 4% the second time. Now what we're going to do is we have a stock on Friday. I said to you on Friday, I said, please join the gang. I'm starting a new video on RRC. And you can follow that. And the video is just like any educational video. I mean, you just watch it for you don't even need to watch it for a minute, about 30 seconds. Because I'm just going to tell you, like I did everybody on RRC on Friday, where to enter it. And then today I did another video, took about maybe 7 seconds, 8 seconds, where to add and where to put a stop in. I don't even think it took 30 seconds. So you had to pay attention about 30 seconds. That's all, 30 seconds. So now we're up about 4% since Friday. Sometimes it takes you 4% all year long to get 4% return. So again, follow me with RRC. It's just started. Micron Technology, we're already out of the gate on that. Okay, that one is up now over, the first time, totally we're up over 20%. But that's already gone. But this one is brand new, just started on Friday, RRC. Okay, so here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Join my gang. It's $39.95. And you don't have to do a thing, okay? I do it for you. All right, but I want to get back to this perspective of steel. What's going on? Let me fill you in. Here's Chris Wallace doing his thing.
This is going to raise prices for American consumers, and the fact is it will. Commerce Secretary Ross estimates that if you take the imported steel that goes into an American-built car, it will increase the price of that car $175.
So what? $175 a car is $36,000? Are you kidding me? $175? That's not even 0.5%. People go out and finance the $36,000 for 7 and 10 years, for God's sakes. Like they care about $175? What are you, nuts? So we could protect our country? We can be independent? I think it's worth it to pay another 2 cents for Coca-Cola or whatever beverage in a can you get. I think it's well worth it. Let's put this in perspective. First of all, steel is associated with Andrew Carnegie. He made billions in the steel industry. Thank God for him. We built our railroads. We built steamships. We built America, built skyscrapers in New York City. We built them all over the country. Steel's 4,000 years old. He took it, and it was the technology he used is like new technology. Thank God for him. And I think it's only fitting that another great entrepreneur, Trump, I think it deserves a great deal of courage to place these tariffs. So what? You're paying 0.5% for a car. A person won't even, he'd care less. He finances it anyways. But it's worth it. See, when you have the rising tide of cheap imports always coming to the United States market, our capacity dropped, think about it, as low as 60% in January. That's right, from all this cheap steel coming in. That's unbelievable. That's unsustainable. We cannot stay in the steel business in this country. We're getting killed. When our steel industries are being hurt with these record amounts of foreign-produced steel flooding to the United States, President Trump has every right to act when we have cheap, subsidized foreign steel, these imports taking steel jobs away from us, when almost 1 in 3 tons of steel sold in the United States was produced outside this country? What are you, nuts? Between 2000 and 2017, Chinese steel's production increased by a huge 540%, while our production in this country rose by 13%. Are you nuts? President Trump knows for America's steel industry to survive, he must take action to reduce this global overcapacity by working to remove the subsidized production from the world's supply so basic market forces can again determine our outcomes. Trump realizes what's going on. He must begin. He's got to begin this effort by ensuring that our trade laws, for God's sakes, that Obama undermined and didn't enforce, Trump has got to start enforcing. Think about it. We got hundreds of thousands of American steel jobs. We got to save them. They're being lost. President Trump showed leadership. He didn't go out golfing. He didn't go golf while steel companies were closing left and right. Obama did. Obama went out golfing. We had steel companies closing left and right. Major steel facilities just closing. Devastating layoffs. Job losses all over this country, especially Ohio and the Midwest. I mean, families are being destroyed. Communities are being destroyed. Because what, $175 for a car or more? That's a 0.5%. And people finance their car and you got to pay 5 cents more or 1 cent more for a beer can? Are you kidding? It's worth it. More than 12,000 steel jobs and 30% of our steel production has been lost to imports in Obama's last 2 years in office. What are you, nuts? 2 cents more for a can of soda or beer? $45 to $175 for a car or van? That's a small price to pay to bring plants back to America for our own national defense and security. You got to be nuts not to go for this. Steel has always been associated with U.S. military use. From aircraft carriers, nuclear submarines, missiles, armor plate for our tanks, every major military aircraft that's in production. We need that steel. We're going to depend on somebody shipping it to us, just like we took our uranium, Hillary Clinton, and gave it to the Russians. Now we got to buy it back from them. Steel has always been the backbone of this country. Rail, steamships, great bridges, skyscrapers. Steel industry is essential to the world's water and food supplies, energy generation, our national security, for God's sakes. And someone's going to complain that when they go buy a $36,000 car, they're going to finance an extra $175? That's not worth it to make sure we keep our steel in this country and that we keep our people employed in this country, in the steel. You don't want to have us control our steel? We just gave away all our plutonium. Now we're going to give away our steel too? Uranium. We gave our uranium away. Now we're going to give all our steel. No, he's right. Don't you sit there and tell me $175 a car or a nickel for a beer. Oh, that's a bad idea. It's going to kill America. No. Are you kidding me? How much do people smoke cigarettes, for God's sakes, a year? Look. This is crazy. He's doing the right thing. See, our economy, what's going on with the stock market? It's not the steel industry. It's not $175 or added 0.5% to a car or a nickel more for a beer. That's not why this market came down 2,000 points. That's not why this stock market dropped 12%. It was a warning. Because we got 3 reasons this market's going to crash. Budget deficits, trade deficits, stock buybacks. There's the 3 reasons we're going to go for another 25% crash. And that's why you want to join my gang. Because when this market does crash again, I'll have you out before it happens and we'll switch it and we'll be making money shorting it. Budget deficits have to be fixed. Because with budget deficits, you have to finance. And when you have to finance these budget deficits, that's responsible for a weak dollar because we have to print money. Every time we have a budget deficit, Congress spends more than they take in. We have to finance it. We have to print money. It makes our dollar weak. Are you kidding me? And that's what sets it up for these stock buybacks. Join my gang right now, 877-600-GANG. Get my video on RRC. RRC.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Every single one of his medical bills, everything is just all taken care of.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
At St. Jude, families never receive a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food, because the only thing a family should worry about is helping their child live.
Because of you.
Gracias a ti. Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits, just as he informed the Phil's Gang members on January 16th of a market pullback coming.
I believe we're going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February.
Be prepared. Be a Phil's Gang member. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
So this is what's upsetting the market. This is tariffs, trade war, steel, aluminum, maybe European cars. Maybe they put taxes on our Harley-Davidson motorcycles. It's a...
Yeah, that really upset the market. It's back up 414 points. Here's what I said last week. Now, you're going to see this morning, this market... I'm sorry, I got the rack wrong. Next rack. You know, this is a joke. What they're trying to do with this steel tariff, which is really a tax, just like inflation's a tax, they're trying to use this tariff to blame the whole stock market correction of 2,000 points or 11%. They're trying to blame it on this steel. This is no big deal. I'm going to tell you, you'll see, by Monday to Wednesday, they'll have forgotten all about this steel tariff, and the market will go back to normal. That's what I said on Friday. Here's what I said this morning to my gang. Now, you're going to see this morning, this market, they're going to try to turn it positive. And they did. We're up positive 400. I have my gang, and here's what I'm going to do with you. I gave you this morning, just a second ago, RRC, and it's already up 4%. RRC dropped 34%. It was at 34% before we bought it. It had a nice pullback of 34%, and we executed it. I'm also going to give you my video RIG. It dropped 28%. So we're buying that on sale as well as RRC. I'm going to give you one more energy stock, PBF. So I'm giving you 3 energy stocks. One dropped 28%, the other one dropped 34%, and the other one dropped 19%. They're all discounted, 28, 34, 19. I mean, that's how you buy stocks. I'm going to tell you when to get in, but more important, on the way up, when to add to your position or not to add to your position, to add more shares or take shares off. But the most important thing, I'm going to tell you when to get out. Just like I did when Micron Technology, when it went up the first time about 14%, I got everybody out and went down about 5%. I got everybody back in, now it's back up 5%. Look, here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Just try it. That's all. Just try it for a month. And all I ask you, donate to St. Jude. All right, so I want to go back to Varney's. Some trade wars. Look, this is not, this has nothing to do with the stock market. The market corrected, gave a big warning telling us, you better watch it. We're ready for another 25% correction. You guys have been so spoiled for 8 years, you better start worrying. And the reason the market's having such a tough time right now getting back to new highs is because the big institutions, the banks, the insurance companies, the pension funds, the hedge funds, the REITs, which I track with the chart that I designed with the algorithms, that their money going in and out, they're holding back from investing because they're worried. Because here's what's going on. Government is offering high yields. They're offering treasury of high, they're going to go to 3 to 4%, but they're offering nothing on savings. That kills our economy's growth because remember who goes to the community banks to borrow money? The small companies, and it's the small businesses that is the backbone of this country. It's small business that creates the best jobs. But they have to go to the small community banks and they have to, and the savings bank to borrow money because they're not publicly traded companies. And so they have to go to the small banks. But guess what? The government competes. The government is going to offer 3, 4% in yields. And so the big boys are saying, wait a minute, we're going to kill our economy. We're going to kill our economy by doing this. And then behind it comes another rate increase on the short-term rates. Those are the ones that affect your car payment, your auto payment, your van payment, your boat, your personal line of credit, your credit cards. They're going to put those up another 4 times. So you got 4 more rate hikes on the small stuff that affects everything you own and you make payments on, and then you got the country has to pay more interest on the national debt because they're raising the yields, be up 3, 4%. This market can't hold on. This market's going to correct. It's going to go down another 25%. But in the meantime, join my gang. Let me give you 4 stocks, okay, and we'll follow these stocks on the way up because they're still going to pump this market before it corrects another 25%, and I'll have you out of these. Just like I got my gang out of Micron Technology, like I got them out of UNG and so many other stocks before they corrected. But so here's the problem. It's not this tariff. Yes, we got to fix the steel industry. There's no question about it. But the big problem is the budget deficits, the trade deficits, the stock buybacks. The budget deficits are terrible. They have to be financed. And they're responsible for the weak dollar because when they finance it, they print the dollars to pay. And then with that, with the weak dollar, then what happens is you have the trade deficits. That causes the big trade deficits. That's how it works. So you got the budget deficits got to be paid, and they got to print money, and so that creates a weak dollar. So now you have, with that weak dollar, you got CEOs with the weak dollar doing stock buybacks. They're doing stock buybacks. And the stock buybacks are killing our economic growth because the stock buybacks, all it's doing is making the CEO's rich. 77% of the CEO's compensations come from stock buybacks. None of that money is reaching Main Street. None. And those stock buybacks for 2018 are going to go up by another 23%, killing this economy again. Just in January and February, after we gave the big tax cuts to the corporations, saying we'll drop your taxes from 39% down to 21%, but please do no more stock buybacks. Take all the tax savings, plow it back into your company for capital investment, so get new machinery so we can raise wages and create jobs. Say, okay, we'll do that. And as soon as the ink was dried and they gave the tax cut, January and February, the stock buybacks were historic, $200 billion. In 2018, they just announced they're going to increase over last year. Last year, they had $600 billion in stock buybacks. This year, they're going to do 23% increase to $854 billion. What does all that mean? That means we're screwed. That means the economy doesn't grow. You don't get overtime. You don't get a good job. That's what it means. Your gasoline prices go up. That's what it means. So between the budget deficits, where they're spending more than they're taking into revenue, they have to finance that. They print money to do that. That weak dollar causes the stock buybacks, because with weak dollars they can they can borrow money cheaply. And then the next thing that happens is the tariff, because now what happens with weak dollars? The trade deficits are caused because remember, trade deficits are caused because we import more than we export, but also the weak dollar from the budget deficit spending more than we take in, that increases the tariffs. That increases the tariffs. The trade deficit. Now what's going to happen is, on top of that, they're going to start putting these tariffs on. Now, yeah, that's going to put pressure on. There's no question about that. These tariffs, they're going to add these tariffs on top of the trade deficits. Sure, that's going to hurt. That's going to hurt for a while, but we have no choice. We have no choice. You know, appliances. Now, you know the Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy. The appliance industry in this country is $27 billion. It's Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy share in that $27 billion. With steel and aluminum going up 25% and 10%, that's going to really hurt. It's going to hurt Home Depot and Best Buy and Lowe's. So we're going to have some great opportunities to buy stocks discounted. Going to have some great opportunities. So, again, the stock market is not going to recover, and the stock market didn't go down because of steel. Yes, these tariffs are going to hurt for a little bit, but so what? When you go to the dentist, doesn't that hurt for a while? But then you come out, you got rid of your toothache, right? And you feel better? It's the same thing. We got a big toothache in this country, debt. So we can keep our steel jobs here. We're secure. We have security because we don't depend on importing any steel from any country. We can build our jets, our tanks, it's all upside. What's killing the economy is not these tariffs. What's killing the economy is the Congress keeps borrowing too much money, putting us in debt. That's the problem. So join my gang, and let's make money off of it. And the video stock, that's the best way for you if you're so busy you have no time. Call 877-600-GANG. Join my gang. $39.95. Try it for a month.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.